for homeowners who have years of poor soil, how can Hippie Fertilizing help bring their yard back to life?
It can be as simple as just choosing us for fertilizing, because everything we do supports soil biology. But the more you want to up your game, then you're going to want to go with like this premium top dressing here. This will improve the soil pretty much instantly, along with the lawn leveling. And then we also guide our customers on how best to use the irrigation, because that is a huge part of the equation, is watering. And we find that often people are guessing at best, or they don't do it on a regular schedule. So we essentially coach all of our customers on the best way to irrigate their lawns, and that changes throughout the season. So you can't ever just set it and forget it. What I'm going to tell you to do one month is going to change to the next month depending on the weather conditions at the time. So we are always focused on feeding the soil first, using stuff that actually supports soil biology, and I love spreading soil. So we want to spread as much as we can.
AJ, can you educate us a little about what we're looking at here when it comes to soil?
Absolutely. That's my favorite thing in the world. I often get asked the question, what's the difference between top dressing and lawn leveling? And a couple different things. Top dressing can be a lot thinner, but it is generally always going to be done with a very compost heavy material, meaning much more humus and organic matter. Lawn leveling, you should have humus and organic matter, but it's going to be a lot more sand. So if we look at these two spots and the lawn, similar material, still sandy, both have humus and organic material, but this is obviously way thicker. This is going to work better as a leveling, where this is just a very quick top dressing. Both add nutrients. One's going to definitely stay and make it smoother because sand stays. This is going to help with overall health, but organic matter and humus does not stay. So after a few months, if not even shorter time, it's still going to be a bumpy lawn. And that is one of the biggest differences between lawn leveling and top dressing. As you've seen possibly in other clips before, that we're working on a premium lawn top dressing / leveling today. We already have pre-screened topsoil. I've also mixed some of the screened potting soil in here for extra humus and organic matter. But this here is the Eco Lawn 250. We're about to fire this bad boy up and show you how it works.